What is email marketing and how does it work? Email marketing refers to the practice of sending commercial emails to customers and building relationships. In this video, I will explain exactly what email marketing is and how does it work. You will have a clean and clear understanding of email marketing. Let's dive into the video. Generally, email marketing is when you send out commercial emails to your email subscribers. So who are the subscribers considered in email marketing? People who have expressed their willingness to receive your commercials or promotional emails after signing up through a landing page or web page. For example, you can send a newsletter to inform, drive sales, and build a community around your brand. The goal of modern email marketing has changed from mass mailings to consent, segmentation, and personalization. Keeping your audience up to date through an effective email marketing strategy will help your brand and product stand out from the competition. Moreover, it will help you convert window shoppers into customers and first-time buyers into brand advocates. Even though email has been around for a long time, it continues to bring a high return on investment for thousands of marketers worldwide, making it one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Here is an overview of how email marketing works. Sign up for an email marketing tool. The quickest way to get the results, you need to decide on a platform to use first. If you're using your personal account to email hundreds of people, you will not be able to manage them manually. More importantly, you will never have the reports and it will cost you a huge time. From my experience, GetResponse is one of the best email marketing services out there. Link is in the description so that you can start right now. Creating an email marketing strategy. You need to determine how email marketing will be used along with your other online marketing campaigns. After that, decide on the best email marketing platform and calculate your monthly cost. Come up with the strategies to use to grow your email list. Need to know when to use automated campaigns and best time to send emails. Your chosen email marketing platform should deliver the best reporting of your email marketing campaigns, the click-through rate, opening rate, and the best campaigns as well. Build and grow your email list. First thing should be to grow your email list. It becomes so easy to create an email list if you give anything for free and valuable for the audience. They will share their email ID to have that gift or ebook, incentives or others. But if you miss any steps to generate an email list, then you will not have that much result. I have prepared an exclusive ebook with a checklist for creating an email list from zero to infinity, only made for YouTube viewers. Download the most effective email list building strategies ebook that will start generating email lists organically. Link is in the description. Set up automation tasks. The beauty of email marketing is that it can be automated based on the activities of your subscribers. Whenever they sign up, then they will be tracked and the email marketing tool will start interacting with predetermined emails. For example, welcome email. Here, as you can see, whenever a subscriber will sign up on your website, then the email ID will be stored on an email marketing database. And then email marketing tool will automatically start sending emails to that audience. Monitor and improve campaign performance through A/B testing. The most effective email marketing results can be driven from testing. Testing your campaigns, subject lines, content, and even the time to send the emails will show you the best way to contact your subscribers. Cleaning up your email list. The average email open rate for an email campaign is around 20%, which means that a majority of people on your list are unlikely to open your emails. Your emails will be marked as a spam if they are opened by a small number of people. This will gradually reduce your reach. The performance of a marketing campaign is improved when the majority of recipients open the email. If you get any value out of this video, Smash the like button, subscribe